Today I'm going to show you how to use an Aquaverve Quick Connect fitting. First, let me show you the components involved. The Quick Connect fitting is comprised of two pieces, the fitting itself and a collet which looks like this. You'll notice on the inside of the collet are 4 teeth. These grip the tubing and hold it in place. If the tubing was forcibly removed from the fitting, one of these teeth could crack, and that would cause the fitting to leak. So it's important to understand how to insert and remove the tubing properly. Let me demonstrate. Here you can see the collet in the fitting. To insert our 1/4-inch tubing into the fitting, we simply push it until it's firmly inserted. You may notice some resistance after just pushing the tubing in a little bit, but it is important to push it beyond that initial resistance until it is firmly inserted. You can see that when inserted, our Aquaverve fittings are quite snug and the tubing cannot be removed by simply pulling it back out. In order to remove this tubing from the fitting, it is necessary to firmly hold the collet with the edge of your thumb, your thumbnail, or a flat-bladed screwdriver in against the fitting. Once the collet is firmly held against the fitting, you should be able to pull the tubing out with relative ease. Do not forcibly remove the tubing. This could damage the fitting or the collet. You should also be aware that if the fitting is part of an Aquaverve bottleless water cooler or any other pressurized system, it's important to release the pressure from the system before attempting to remove the tubing from a fitting. That pressure will make it very difficult to remove the tubing otherwise.